On August 11th, just past 9:30 p.m., Palm Beach County deputies responded to a call about a suspicious vehicle blocking traffic. The woman, later identified as 63-year-old Pamela Brewster Owens, refused to cooperate, claiming the government was after her and that she needed to speak to then-President Trump. Deputies attempted to remove her, but the situation took a violent turn.
7 Bravo 64, ticket 28.
Good.
Be careful. Quebec Echo Juliet, Whiskey 44. Should come back to a Hyundai Tucson SUV. Okay. I'm not doing that with you. Do you have your driver's license?
Let me tell you something.
Insurance?
I am pregnant.
Okay.
Get out of my face.
Don't tell me what to do. You're blocking
Get
the roadway.
out of my face.
You're blocking the roadway. So I just wanted to talk to you. You just flicked me the bird. So I'm going to ask you for your driver's license, registration, and insurance. Do you have your driver's license, registration, and insurance?
No.
You don't?
No.
So you're operating a vehicle with no license, registration, or
No,
insurance?
I want this to stop.
What would you like to stop? I'm trying to talk to you. Do you have your driver's license?
I am not talking to you or anyone else.
Okay. Do you have any medical conditions that I need to be aware of? Ma'am, do you have any medical conditions that I need to be aware of?
I just told you.
Okay, what is that? What is that? Can you tell me what medical conditions you have? Do you not understand my questions? Do you have a driver's
Do you
license?
not understand what I responded?
No, ma'am, that is not a medical condition. Congratulations on being pregnant, but that's not a medical condition that would affect your ability to understand my
I'm
questions.
supposed to be on bed rest, and I was
Okay.
trying to go get something to eat.
Okay.
And the hired guns for the government keep harassing me.
Okay, now we're getting somewhere. What's going on? Talk to me so I can understand.
You're hired guns for them.
What is-
You'll talk to them. Talk to Trump.
Okay,
Talk to Congress
okay,
to stop this
okay.
in Meadow Lakes with me.
Okay, so what's going on in Meadow Lakes that we need to be aware of?
They know.
Okay, but I don't
The
know.
board knows.
Your HOA board knows? Do you live here? I'm asking you a question. Do you live here? Do you know where you're at? Okay, I'm not going to play this game with you. So if you don't have a valid ID and you're operating a motor vehicle and you're obviously blocking the roadway, I'm going to have to take you out of the vehicle because you cannot be operating a motor vehicle. You understand that, right? So I'm going to give you one more opportunity to comply with me, and then I'm going to ask you to step out of the vehicle. You understand that, right? So I'm giving you an opportunity to either comply and answer my questions, or I'm going to have to physically remove you from the vehicle. You understand that? Do I need to call EMS? Are you having a medical episode right now? Okay. All right.
All right. Come on.
Don't touch
Let's
me.
go.
Don't
No.
touch me.
No.
Do not touch me.
Hey! Stop! Stop!
Sam!
Stop!
Why are they
Stop!
doing this?
Stop!
Sam! I can't believe you!
Relax.
I
Relax.
cannot believe you.
Relax.
Don't take my phone.
Relax.
I'm not trying to take
Relax.
it. I'm
Ma'am.
Leave me alone. I'm pregnant.
Relax. She's seatbelted.
I know that's what I'm trying to get. Let's go. Oh.
I got one. I got one. I got one. 7 Bravo 64. Can you switch?
repeating what happened to Cole. Ouch!
Get out of the vehicle.
Sam!
Get out of
Where
the vehicle.
are
Get
you?
out of the vehicle.
Ouch!
Relax.
Oh!
Get against the vehicle now.
Oh! Oh! I cannot
7
believe.
Bravo 64. We have one black female detained. Can you send one additional unit, please? An EMS.
Yeah, it works for you. So. Give me.
Code.
54.
Watch out. Okay.
Got her?
Yes.
Hey!
One additional 23416 Serene Meadow.
Oh!
Put your hand behind your back. Stop resisting.
Everyone
Watch
close
out.
for still
Let go.
close.
Let go.
Why are you
Ma'am,
hurting?
stop resisting.
Because you're resisting.
You're a man and you're
Ma'am.
doing this?
We're not hurting you.
He is hurting me.
Okay.
Well,
We're
if you
just-
stop resisting, it will make it a lot easier for me to do what I need to do.
It is too tight.
Okay, we'll
Okay,
fix
we'll
it.
fix it.
We'll fix it, okay? I'm gonna have you
What is your
sit.
name? You haven't even,
Come on,
you haven't even read me my rights.
come on.
I want my purse.
I'll get your purse. I need you to sit down in the back of the vehicle and just take a breath, okay? Go ahead. Just sit in the vehicle.
I want my purse.
Okay, I'm gonna.
I will
If you
when I
can.
get my purse.
Okay, I'll grab your purse.
All right, let's go to the other side.
No. Why are you ouch!
Come on,
Ow!
don't kick me.
I'm not playing this game with you.
I'm not playing any fucking games with you, bastard.
Hey,
Ouch! You're hurting me!
What?
You're hurting me!
ma'am.
What is that?
Other
Ouch!
way, other way.
Ow!
Ma'am,
Ow!
we're not doing anything.
Ouch!
We're not-
You're hurting me!
We're not doing
You're
anything.
hurting
She
me!
slipped out. It's locked.
I want my purse. It's too tight.
No, it's not.
And you have not read me
fine.
my rights.
I'm not gonna read you your rights right now. You
Are
can
you
take a
not?
seat.
We don't have to read
Take
your
a
rights right
seat.
now. Sit down.
Take a seat.
I need my shoe.
I'm gonna get your shoe and I'm gonna get your purse. Just sit right there for me. Okay? No, put your feet inside for me. Ma'am, put your feet inside
I'm
for
waiting
me.
for my shoe.
I'm gonna grab your shoe right now. I'm just asking you to sit inside for me.
I cannot with this seat back like that.
Okay.
Metal Lakes. Fucking bastards. Hire guns for the government with this damn project.
As this incident came to an end, the suspect was taken into custody and later charged with battery on a law enforcement officer and resisting an officer with violence. This footage is presented for educational and documentary purposes, offering a real-world look at how quickly routine calls can escalate. All individuals shown are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. If you found this video informative, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you
Okay,
don't miss
I'll put the
future
AC
body cam
on. I
footage.
have-
Share your thoughts in the comments below, and as always,
Okay.
stay safe and we'll see you in the next video.